Okay, this is the online atlas. The first menu you need to use is this map type one here, where you can switch between a geopolitical and a thematic map. This is the geopolitical map, and you can click on a continent and zoom into it. Here we've zoomed into Australia, and then when you are in this, there are new menus that appear at the top, and the ones that you're going to use is the local distances menu. So if you click on that, you can click on a couple of different cities and measure the distance. So if we want to measure how far it is from Lismore to Wagga Wagga, click on the two and it gives you the distance in kilometres up the top. The other one we're going to use in this map is lat long, latitude and longitude. And you just click on a place, like there's Lismore, and the latitude and longitude appears up the top in degrees, minutes and seconds. If we go back down the bottom here and zoom right back out, you can also do the same thing in Greece. Click on Europe and then show Europe, and then you have to click again on Greece to zoom right into Greece. And same thing, you can measure the distances and look at the latitude and longitude. If you click back, then switch to thematic at the top here, and then get a different type of map, which is thematic map, and it has a bunch of different themes that you can choose from: agriculture, climate zones, geology, etc. And the same way you can zoom in to the different places and choose the different themes. And you can zoom back up out with this little control here to the world scale, and then click on Europe, and then you can see Athens and Greece down the bottom there. So those are the tools you're going to be using, and the instructions will be on the slideshow and the worksheet that you have for these lessons.